How to create animated AI companions using Grok AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, install Grok AI on your device. Log into your account and click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, you'll find companions. There are only three companions right now. Select the companion you prefer. In here, you can mute yourself, ask anything by typing or also speaking. If you click on settings icon, you'll find these options. You can speed up the movements as well. And you can simply go back and search for other companions as well, which is Bad Rudy and Good Rudy. And this is how to create animated AI companions using Grok AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.